Did you know that you can go through solid walls and you're both dead and alive at the same time? Welcome to the weird and wonderful world of quantum mechanics. Here are 4 quantum mechanics facts that feel like science fiction. Consider a cat in a box with a bomb alongside it to keep company. There is a 50% chance that the bomb will explode and kill the cat. And there is a 50% chance that the bomb won't explode and the cat will live on for another day to drink milk. So theoretically the cat is both alive and dead at the same time. Only if we open the box will we know if the cat is alive or dead. This is called the Schrodinger's cat thought experiment. It's a pretty famous experiment. You must have heard it in many TV shows and movies.
Schrodinger says if you put a cat in a box with a fatal poison that has a 50-50 chance of killing it, you have to open the box to see if the cat made it.
This theory explains the superposition phenomena, which means that a particle can be at multiple states at once until it is observed or measured. If I were a quantum particle, I would be both happy and sad at the same time. Until someone observes me and then I am crying, guys.
You are depressed.
Imagine me and my friend have 2 boxes with us. One has a red ball inside it, another has a blue ball inside. We both travel to different countries. He goes to USA and I go to Japan. If my friend opens the box and gets a red ball in USA, then it is 100% sure that when I open the box in Japan, I will find myself with a blue ball. But entanglement in quantum objects
gets weirder.
It in fact gets so much weirder that Albert Einstein himself calls it spooky action at a distance. When 2 electrons get entangled, they exist in both states at the same time until you observe one of them. Even if they are light years apart from each other, they will still influence each other. Considering our example, the electrons can both be red and blue until we observe them. And once you observe one electron, the other electron changes its state accordingly too. This happens even if both of the electrons are separated by a distance of billion kilometers. What the fuck is this? My brain hurts, guys. How do they even WhatsApp each other their statuses? How does it even work?
And his name is John C.
Have you guys seen the Flash TV show or the movie? In that Flash goes through the wall. It is possible in reality too, but only for quantum particles. Subatomic particles can go through any barrier they are not supposed to pass. It's like they can go through the wall. Imagine a basketball going through a wall. It's just like that. The explanation I read somewhere is that particles behave like waves and leak inside the barrier and reach the other side. How interesting and cool is that? For this one, I'm gonna oversimplify this, guys. It's not gonna be 100% accurate, but here goes.
Don't you oversimplify this.
In the quantum world, photons and electrons behave like particles and waves at the same time. Yeah, I know it doesn't make sense, but let me explain. When you fire an electron at a screen, it hits the screen like a particle. Capish? But when you do the same thing with 2 entrances and then fire electrons for a long period of time, you get this. This is a pattern formed because the electrons behave like waves and then they mixed and shit. Similar thing happens with light. Light travels from sun to earth in space where there is no medium, so it behaves like an electromagnetic wave. But in solar panel, light behaves like a particle. In oversimplified terms, light particles hit the metal and then release electron. This is an example for particle behavior of light. So you must be wondering, what is this? Like, is photon and electron both wave and particle, or what's going on? What is this? Answer: both, until you measure them. No wonder people say you're lying when you say you understand quantum mechanics. This shit is insane, man. That's it for today, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you need a part 2. I still have 4 more topics I wanted to cover, but I wanna see if this video does well. Keep watching, never lose hope, and bye bye.